Hey there, this is Akshanadhan and welcome back to a new video. In this video, we are together going to create a standard sophisticated resume for your placements or your upcoming scheduled interviews, right? So if you are a fresher or if you're in college and this is the first time you are creating a resume, this video is super relevant for you. Or if you have already built a resume and you want to improve it and you want to take it to the industry standards, again, this video is relevant for you. So this is the resume that you're seeing on my screen. I just have built in this video, which we are going to build it together, and which information you have to put it where we are going to talk about it, and you don't need to worry about it. We have figured it out, right? So for the next 5 to 6 minutes, don't do anything. Just sit and watch this video. After watching this video, then you create your resume because I just want to highlight some of the points in this video. So I just want to make sure that you listen to those points. So don't create your resume alongside, right? Just listen to me and watch me create my resume, and then you can create your resume using this app, right? So we are going to use ResumePal mobile app for building this resume. It is my own app. So if you face any bug, if you face any issue, directly reach out to me. The best part is on other platforms, you have to pay your fees for accessing the premium templates, or once you create your resume completely, then it will say, hey, you have to pay this amount to download this resume. So that's why the resume building feature, resume analysis feature is free of cost in this ResumePal mobile app. You can build unlimited resumes, right? If in one day also you want to create 100 resumes, you are welcome to do that, right? So just go ahead, download this app. The link is in the description and use this app for creating your resumes, analyzing your resumes. Apart from that, you can utilize this app for your interview preparation also. Let's say you have interviews coming up, right? For mobile app development. So just go on this app, click on the plus icon in the interview page, click on mobile development, and you are going to get all the interview templates as per the syllabus. Just go ahead and practice these templates, right? So let's not waste more time. Let's get started. But if you want that we help you till your placement day and we help you get placed, you can reach out to me on LinkedIn or on this. You can also buy these credits and then also we will help you out. But even without this, you can reach out to me and we are going to see how we can help you out, right? So click on this profile and now let's get started. So there are two ways in front of you. If you have already built a resume on some other platform, right? Your resume, then also you can start. Or if this is the first time you are creating a resume and you want to start from the scratch, that also you can do. Okay, so let's assume this is my first time and I want to create my resume from scratch, right? Then I'll click on add your info. If you already had the resume in hand and you just wanted to modify it or create a new resume starting from there, then you can upload your previous resume. It will automatically fill all your information and you can edit it, right? But let's assume this is my first time and I want to create a resume PDF. So just click on add your info. Okay, so here I already added my name, first name and last name, so it has already added, but you can add it yourself. This is the short info. So I've already kept my information ready so that it doesn't waste your time. So whatever I want on as the statement of my resume. So in your resume, you should have a statement. It can be 3 to 4 liner, which should define what you do, right? Or your core skill, right? Or basically why you want to apply for this job. So this is what you can actually add in your statement. So what I have added in my statement, I'll paste it here. Allow paste. So this is what I have added: a full stack developer slash software engineer and a tutor at YouTube with 30K subscribers, taught full stack development and programming concepts through YouTube tutorials. I stay updated about various tech stacks in the market, helping me focus on core software concepts rather than a particular SDK slash technology. So this is my statement, right? You can also add your statement which defines you. Number of like years of experience. I have 2 years of experience. I'll add 2. Now click on next. Now your contact information on which your employer can contact you. So country, state and city is correct. So I'll put it that only. I won't edit it. Email. So I'll add my email. So this is my email, and add your phone number. So I'll add my phone number here. This is my phone number, right? And I'll click on next. So two things are already filled up. You don't have to worry about the alignment. You don't have to worry about where I have to put which stuff where, right? Everything it will handle. You can choose a best template. We have 3 templates. You can choose the best template what you like, and then it will automatically put your information. Now click on education. You can add multiple educations, but if you are a fresher or if you're an experienced person, then only one education is more than enough, which is about your graduation degree, right? So institution name, I'll add my institution name. Okay, course name is Bachelor's in Computer Science. So what I'll do is I'll copy it from here so that it doesn't waste your time. Paste, allow paste. So BE in Computer Engineering, that is Bachelor's of Engineering in Computer Engineering. Score I had 9.54, so I'll add 9.54, which is your CGPA. Pass year I passed in 2023, so I'll say 2023, and I can put it May. Okay, so May 2023, and you can also remove this or you can add another education also, but let's keep one. Let's say you did MS or PhD, doctorate, then you can add that education also. Now click on next. Skills, so click on add skill. I know Python, Java, I know Flutter, then I know Golang. In web development I know Node.js, Next.js, Flask I know, Express.js. I am learning machine learning, so I'll put NLP and machine learning. Blockchain, I am okay with Solidity, so I'll put Solidity. SQL, I know. NoSQL, I know. MySQL, Postgres. Okay, I can only put 12. Sorry, I forgot. This is my own app, but I forgot. Okay, Solidity, I won't prefer. I would put NoSQL. And instead of machine learning, I'll prefer PostgreSQL. So these are my core skills. We have restricted so that people actually start putting all the skills. So we want to avoid that. So we have put a limit. So these are my core skills. So I have put these core skills and I'll click on check. These are my skills. Next. And yes, guys, if you have any doubts or if you have any doubts regarding your resume, you can reach out to us. You log in on this app and you can also request us to put do a manual review of your resume. We will do it, right? Or if you want to have a feature request, that also you can do it. This feature is free of cost. Okay. Open to roles. So I'm open for software engineer, mobile app engineer, full stack developer. I'm a project manager. I'm open for machine learning engineer. And yes, these are the roles which I'm open for. So I'll put these roles. Click on next. Projects. So which all projects I have done. So again, I am ready with the content so that it doesn't waste your time. So I recently published a paper on NLP. So I want to write about that here. So I have brought that data here, and yes, I'll describe that project, like what exactly I did. So this was the paper or project we can say in my final year which I just did, and this I want to have it here. You can add any number of projects, right? So I just want to just show it to you so I won't waste a lot of your time. So this is your project. Click on next. Social links. Social links are important. My portfolio link is HTTPS. Okay, so my keyboard is actually making it to capital for the first letter, but if you are typing it from phone, obviously, then it will make it small case itself. Because I'm typing from a laptop keyboard, that's why it is happening. So https akshitmadan.in and LinkedIn link. So LinkedIn link, let me bring my LinkedIn link. Okay, for now let me put a dummy link so that otherwise I'll take some time to bring it up. So let's put dummy link, linkedin.in.com/Akshit Madan. GitHub, yes, very important if you are applying for software engineering roles. github.com/AK Madan. Because I'm a YouTuber, so I'll definitely put my YouTube link. So this also I'll put dummy Akshit Madan/YouTube. This is a dummy link, right? Okay, so these are my links. Please add your links. It is very important. Whether if you are applying for UI UX, then give your Figma link, give your Behance link, give your Dribbble link, right? So this is very important. Click on next. Work experience. So if you are a fresher, then then write about your internships. If you are an experienced, then write about your previous work experiences. So currently I am founding engineer at ResumePal AI. So I'll write ResumePal AI. Sorry, not here. This is the title here, and my title is founding engineer. Work experience. So this is important because people actually want to know what you did in this work experience. So write about your work experience here. Perfect. So as the founding engineer at ResumePal, I am responsible for architecting and implementing the core software module. My current project involves developing RAG-based mock interview platform. Right. So this is what we are doing at ResumePal. So I'm defining it. From. So I started in January. Okay. And I'm already working here. So I'll say I already still working here. And you can add multiple work experiences. So I'll add one more. So before this, I was mobile team lead at Azodha. and my work experience included this information. So I've already written it down. Okay, so this is my work experience in Azodha, and the day was last year. So I'll go in January 2023, 1. Okay, and I'll go till, let's say, December. Okay, these two I've added, but you can add more and click on next. Achievements. So what are my achievements? So my achievements are that I have delivered 440 videos on YouTube. This is one of my achievement. So I have defined this as my achievement, right? Because I have taught a lot of students. So this is an achievement for me. But whatever you have your achievement, that you have built this project, you won this hackathon, you went to Smart India Hackathon, you went to an international conference, you can write it as your achievement. This is done, guys. And sometimes people, if you are applying for a remote job, they ask about your race. So I am a South Asian, I am a man, and my pronoun is he, him. So that's why this option is also given. Now click on next, and this is going to update your information. So you can see profile updated successfully. Now I can get back, and you can say edit your info. You will see that your info is now added, right? That means we have already updated our resume profile. Now you can go to builder. You will see all of these templates, right? So all of these 3 templates are verified. So this one, the first template is verified from a Google engineer. Second one is verified from a Microsoft engineer, and third one is verified from a Netflix engineer. I would like to go with a Google engineer, right? So I'll say preview. I can see how this resume looks, right? So this is how it looks, and it is pretty decent, right? Because we had not added a lot of information, my resume will not look, this much filled, but just to showcase in front of you, this will look good actually, right? So let's click on generate resume, and this is going to generate a resume for me. Let's wait. And yes, so at the end, a moment ago, this is my resume. So this is my resume, how it looks, right? Full stack software engineer, my phone number, my email, everything is added, right? Then my experience, my skills, my projects, and my achievements. We are still working to improve this part, because now you can see skills are just added like this. But what we are doing in Resume Palace, that it should add your skills, segment wise. If you want to see, so let me just imagine like this. Programming languages, Python, Java, TypeScript. Then mobile development frameworks, Flutter, right? Then backend frameworks, Node.js, Express.js, Next.js, right? Databases, Postgres, like MongoDB or MySQL, like this. So we are working on it. You can give it a shot. If you like this resume, download it. You can actually share this resume. You can save it in your files in your mobile phone, or you can also mail it to yourself, right? So this is what we have built. Basically, our idea is that whatever time you invest in, selecting a template, which template is good for you, or where to put which area, like where should you put education. We have already figured out that education should be at the top, right? Then experience, then skills, then project, then achievements. So we have already structured it. Now you just need to give us your information. We will put it in a perfect, sophisticated resume. Okay. So this is what we are trying to solve, and we are day by day, we are improving this module. So help us improve this, give us the feedback, try it. And once you generate a resume, share that resume with us on LinkedIn, or tag us that you build this resume using Resume Pal, right? It will help us a lot. We are still working on our, operations and technology. So it will definitely help us a lot. After building your resume, you can actually analyze that resume, right? So you can see that I analyzed my resume. My score was 88 by 100, which is a good score. And this is the feedback which I got, right? So this is how you can build your resume. And I hope you like this video. And till the next content, keep coding, keep innovating, and thanks a lot.